In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your mobile hotspot to a computer or laptop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share your phone's internet with your computer, what settings to check, and a few smart tips to keep the connection stable and secure. First, let's turn your phone into a hotspot. On your phone, open Settings and find the option labeled Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. Switch it on. If you're seeing options to set a network name and password, take a moment to choose a unique name and a strong password. This prevents others nearby from connecting without permission and helps protect your data. If your phone lets you choose a band, 2.4 GHz is more compatible at longer ranges, while 5 GHz can be faster at shorter distances. Also, remember that hotspot usage typically comes from your mobile data plan, so keep an eye on your data allowance. Now move to your computer or laptop. Turn on Wi-Fi if it isn't already. On Windows, click the Wi-Fi icon near the clock at the bottom right. On a Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon at the top right of the screen. Look for the hotspot name you just set on your phone. Select it, then enter the password you created and connect. Give it a few seconds to negotiate the connection. Once connected, verify that everything's working. Open a browser and load a website to confirm you have internet access. On your phone, you'll usually see an indicator showing the number of connected devices and data usage. That's a good place to monitor activity, especially if you want to keep data under control. If the computer can't find your hotspot, make sure the hotspot toggle on your phone is still on and that mobile data is enabled. Turning the hotspot off and back on can refresh the signal. You can also toggle your computer's Wi-Fi off and on to rescan for networks. If the connection is unstable, move the devices closer together and away from sources of interference like microwaves or crowded Wi-Fi channels. If your phone supports switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, try the other band to improve compatibility or speed. For security and battery life, disconnect devices you're not using and turn off the hotspot when you're done. Hotspots can drain a phone battery quickly, so plugging your phone into a charger during extended use is a good idea. That's it. You've set up your phone as a hotspot, connected your computer, and learned simple ways to troubleshoot and stay secure. Follow these steps anytime you need reliable internet on the go.